let's see how to save Microsoft Word documents. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are a variety of reasons why we would want to save our Word document. First off, it allows us to keep a copy of our document so that we are able to edit it whenever we want to. So to save your document, simply head on over to the File tab. Now, right here, click on Save and choose the destination. Now, let's go ahead and save it to our PC. And right here on this field, type your file name. Let's just go and type in document. Now, click Save, and that will automatically save your document. What you can also do with this is that you can click on Save As, and you'll have the options right here to save it as any other file format, for example, as a PDF or an older version of a Word document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.